Hey, my friends. This has been drying for about 2 days on my table. It is still a little heavy on the back, but dry to the touch, knocking over the cup. And look it, retained, it dried beautifully. No air bubbles, cracks, bumps, things that snuck in, the pattern stayed. It dried fabulous. The corners, on the other hand, I forgot to pay more attention to them, and they're a little white, but you know what? That's okay. So I think I am loving this blue and green. Next time, I do want to put a little black or a little white in between the colors, just to give a little more depth and movement. And right now that looks a little flat because the blue and the green, they are somewhat similar shades, if I might say. I thought the purple in there, the dark purple, would have been okay, but I didn't get enough of it. I mean, you can see a little purple right there at the bottom. You can see some purple up there at the top, but not enough to actually make a difference. So that's my thought on this whole thing. Let me know what you think. I think this was super fun. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna add this to my drying rack, and I think I'm gonna do something to it before I seal it. I think I'm gonna add a silhouette of something on it, and I'm just gonna let that sit so I can think about it. Oh, that looks cool like that too. So anyhow, thank you for joining me. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.